Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ and today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet this beautiful super quick and easy reversible mini octopus pattern. You see one of the sides we have one color, and when you pop it to the other side we have a different color. For this mini octopus we will need two pairs safety eyes. I used 9 millimeters stitch marker, 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and some white worsted weight yarn. You can use any yarn you have in your stash. It doesn't matter, only adjust the hook size to pair it with the yarn you will use. So let's start with the pattern itself. We will start by making a magic ring. Then we will work 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then close the ring. And now for round 2 we will make one increase in each stitch. For the increase we are making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. 1 single crochet and the second one. Repeat this 5 more times. In round 2 you should have 12 stitches. Now take the stitch marker. For round 3 work 1 single crochet in next stitch. Place a stitch marker to identify that this is the first stitch for round 3, and then 1 increase in next stitch. One single crochet in next, 1 increase in next stitch. Repeat this 4 more times. This is round 3. For round 4 we will work single crochet in next 2. This is the first. Place the stitch marker again, single crochet in next, and 1 increase in next stitch. Again, single crochet in next 2 stitches, increase in next one. Repeat this 4 more times. For round 5 work single crochet in first stitch and place a stitch marker, then single crochet in next 2 and 1 increase in next stitch. So single crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 1 increase in next stitch. Repeat this 4 more times. Yes, now for round 6, 7 and 8 we will work single crochet in each stitch all around without any increases. So one single crochet in each stitch all around for the next 3 rounds. Now for round 9, we will work single crochet in next 3. 1, 2, 3, and now we will make one decrease. We will use the invisible decrease method. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch, then insert the hook in the next stitch front loop, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn and pull through. This is the invisible decrease, and now we will continue again single crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and again we will work one invisible decrease. Insert into the front loop of the next stitch, into the front loop of the other one, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn and pull through. Now repeat this 4 more times. Now for the last round, round 10, work single crochet in each stitch all around. Now after the body is done, do not fasten off. We'll continue with the tentacles, but before we continue, we need the safety eyes and we will place them now. You can place them somewhere between 1, 2, 3, 4, around 6 and 7, and leave some stitches in between the eyes. Take small piece of black yarn and yarn needle, and make the mouth. As it will be inside, I will not wave the ends. They will not be visible. I will just tie it nicely. And now we will continue with the tentacles. We need to make 8 tentacles, and now single crochet in the first stitch, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2 double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches into the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, into this one, work 2 double crochet stitches, then double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. We have 1, 2, 3 chains left. Work 1 double crochet in each. Now skip 1 stitch and work 1 single crochet into the next one. skip this stitch, 1 single crochet into the next one. And now you have to repeat this 7 more times till we have 8 tentacles in total. Let me show you one more time. Single crochet in next stitch, chain 6, then 2 double crochet stitches into the third chain, 1 2 3, then double crochet in next 3 chains, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in next one. Repeat this 6 more times till you have 8 tentacles. At the end, your mini octopus should look like this. Now you have to make one more piece in different color. Now when you have 2 similar pieces, take one of the pieces, turn it with the wrong side and place it inside the other one. Try to, when you are placing the second piece into this one, try not to place the eyes at the same position, because we will not put any stuffing inside. It will not be okay. Now take the piece that we left the yarn, place each tentacle on top of the other one, and we will join them using the slip stitch method. If it's easier for you, you can use a yarn needle, it's up to you. The single crochet with the single crochet and slip stitch. And we will join each tentacle using this method. Then to the other side. And again the single crochet stitch with the single crochet. And we join one of the tentacles. You have to repeat this for all of the rest 7 tentacles, as I said, with the slip stitch method. Now repeat the same for all of the tentacles. And after you finish joining all the tentacles, this is the look you get. If these holes are bothering you, then you can take a yarn needle and just with the yarn needle you can close them. It's up to you. Like this, and you have to repeat the same for the other side with the second color. And this is the Mini Octopus pattern. It's super easy, quick and simple amigurumi project you can try. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next week.